some weird shit, man.
Alright.
I should probably get that splitter off there. So I got something to show you, man.
So, this dandy new truck, Chubby. So, there's Chubby. Chubby got issue like that. We'll fix that. Chubby got more issue. We'll fix that. Oh look. Oh look. Alright, that's gonna be the first one.
Is this all the way? Where would this go? The way?
Let me see. What else we got? Got new tires.
Here you go, brother.
Puff. Before I get started.
Getting closer.
Everybody, back here with the Chubby truck. Yeah, this week passenger side rocker. Might as well throw in the cab corner since we're there. Oh yeah, huh? Something missing there. Most of the battery box. Yeah. Oh, wait, no hood. Previous owner has removed the hood bracing, and the hood has a taco band. Couldn't find a hood yesterday, but we did get this. Let's hear it for saving 2 days of life by going to the junkyard and spending 40 bucks. Thanks, Sacrificial Suburban. Some after of last week's work. New, all metal, no spray foam, crappy finish, but there it is. This chubby girl. So it's funny what you find digging around in old trucks. I hope this has the guy's arm in it who decided to do that to this truck. Look. Funny. Huh? It's not a Blazer. It's just a truck. So, focus. So, we use these tools and that piece to make this guy. This guy, it goes here. And also, we used our homemade leaf brake to help us to make this guy to fit here and also to fit here. Unless I find the rest of that arm in there, I'll show you guys when I'm done. Here's a couple seconds, about as deep as we're going today. Oh, and that's actually not true. I'm going to make a couple little patches for that. And then, just so you know, just when you think you went deep enough, you find something cool like this. Well, maybe not. Maybe you find it cool like... cool, something cool like that. Cool body brace there. Groovy. Thanks, previous owners.